Okay, so this is how you share a calendar on Google Calendar. You go across to the left hand side where your name is or the calendar you want to share. You click on the three dots toward the right hand side of it, and then you say Settings and Sharing. If you scroll down this page a little bit, you'll find it says Share with Specific People. Now, if you haven't got anybody in there, it will just display your name. If you want to add somebody, go to the Add People section and then type the person's name. And then you can set the permission level. So free busy information is what's on by default. That just shows where your calendar is busy. To see all the events, choose that. To make changes to the events, obviously that one. And then to enable the person to change your account if they need to, you can do that. This is what you would usually select. Click on Send, and then the person you've chosen will have access. You can add additional people at the same screen at the same time.